Jet plane headed up to the sky. Spread wings.
Hello, welcome to Kazakhstan apartment tour. Today I'll be showing you guys how a Kazakhstan apartment looks like. Let's go and let me show you around this beautiful apartment. Let's go. So here is the sitting area. It's very big. It's a very big apartment. It's a sitting area, and the chairs are very comfortable. Very comfortable chairs. Oh, it feels good to be home. It feels good to be home. And one of the things I really like about the sitting area is the chairs. The chairs are very soft. The chairs are very, very soft, and the TV, I like the TV because it's very big. It's good for PS5 and it's good for games. You know, also like games. It's very good for the gaming. I'm going to show you guys the cooking area. This is a cooking area. If you know me, you know I really love cooking. I don't like fast food much, but I really love cooking. So cooking is just something I really like doing. So the kitchen is very interesting. It's very good. It's very organized, where we have our storage for the pots, the cooking pots, and to fry your eggs. Basically, that's it. The kitchen. And we have our wine openers, and our beer openers. If you drink, we have our beer openers here. It's a very organized apartment. And the best part of the apartment I really love so much is the view. The view is very beautiful. The view is just amazing. The view is killing me. The view is just out of this world. And we have October Stadium here. We have a beautiful stadium here to watch football matches. It's just beautiful. It's in the center of the city, so it's a very good place. We have our cars post building over there, and we have October Bank over there. It's just amazing here. It's just very beautiful here, and we have a lot of parks. We have a lot of parks and playgrounds around here. The next part of it, I'll take you guys to the bedroom, and I'll show you guys how the bedroom looks like. Bedroom is very important. It's very beautiful. And I don't want to show you guys. Are you ready? Are you ready for it? Okay, follow me. Whoa! It's beautiful. It's very beautiful here. And the detail of the light is just amazing. I just like the detail and I like the design of the light. It's very beautiful. Just look at it. Just look at it. It's very beautiful. And the bed, it's just very comfortable. I like it. It's just good night. So this is the last part of our Kazakhstan apartment tour. Are you ready for the bathroom? I will show you in the bathroom. And are you ready? Let's go. Just look at it. It's just organized. It's very clean, and it's very neat. And one thing I really like about the bedroom is because it's very big.
Right there on top of the moon, we could sit and do nothing. I wish we were bold to just fly away.